27 types of heavy construction equipment and their uses. Part 6. Number 15. Hydraulic mining shovels. Hydraulic mining shovels rely on powerful hydraulic components to provide constant, powerful digging and material movement in even the most difficult mine environments. Hydraulic mining shovels, like electric rope shovels, are long-lasting and simple to operate. They're also safer and more ergonomic now that they've been updated. Number 16. Motor graders. Long, narrow blades, sometimes known as mold boards, are used on motor graders and road graders. This rotating mold board has a cutting edge on the bottom to aid in cutting and moving landscape for tasks like roadway installation or maintenance, fine grading, building projects, drainage ditches, snow removal, spreading materials. Motor graders are usually more suited for big road work jobs that require versatility than bulldozers. Before operating a motor grader, you must first learn how to operate one, as different actors have an effect on performance. The more lean you put on the wheels, for example, the deeper the cut will usually be. Number 17. Off-highway trucks. Off-highway trucks are a sort of dump truck that can handle huge loads in any tough working environment. As a result, they're a popular choice in mines, quarries, and large-scale building sites where bulk materials must be transported efficiently. Off-highway haulers can transport higher volumes of stone, soil, and other materials than typical dump trucks. To be even more economical, you may invest in an off-highway truck with various dump buckets, depending on what your project requires. Number 18. Scissor lifts. A transportable, raised work platform known as an aerial scissor lift is a stronger and safer alternative to a traditional ladder. Scissor lifts provide a solid work environment for one or more people since they are made of steel and a series of crossing beams and struts. They are excellent for the following applications: material handling, warehouse or stockroom storage, construction projects, commercial building maintenance. If you have hard-to-reach areas in your work area, a scissor lift is just what you need. For more information, call 214-773-0207 or visit celiarconstructionequipment.com.